Hola, thank you for visiting. I am gonna take you to the inside the studio and show you the slip that I have. This slip has been probably processing for several months. And what I do is any extra clay, leftover scraps, chips, anything that I'm working on it on the clay that is raw, I go ahead and put it in this recyclable jar, and it's a plastic container, and then I just keep it moist. Now, at some point you will notice some mold, which mold is good. Mold is good for your clay, and I'll just stir it. Right now it's ready for my consistency. That's the one that I really like to do the sculptings. And you can create pretty much anything, and it's not too watery. Pretty much you will have to test what is the one consistency that you feel more comfortable working. For me, is not runny. It holds its shape, and it helps me to create the the leaves, the flowers, other figurines on top of my pieces, my hand built pieces. You can do it on if you throw something on the wheel and then you want to embellish it with some textures on. It's a good way to save your sleep. Keep it in the jar, and then I start building from it. Right now, I am doing this little trinket dish, and I'm just concentrated on doing leaves and some flowers, and I will eventually place some little bees in there because I just like those little critter insects. And I apologize for my dog in the background. So it is important to cover the clay piece while drying to prevent uneven drying and cracking. Prevents loss of too moist too quickly, so your surface is a larger area. And when you add the slip or small pieces on top, I starts absorbing that moisture down, and it can create some cracking in or some detachments or splitting on your small pieces, and avoids the warping on your piece, which it has the tendency when it is drying too fast as well to do so. So, and it's good habit, so that way you can prevent it from drafting and any drafting or sunlight, direct sunlight. Always keep it away from the direct sunlight to prevent it from fast drying. So I hope this was useful for you, and remember to live a creative life, and thank you for watching.